Okay friends, we have a vectors question. This one I believe was taken from a past O-level actual E-maths paper. Okay, so let us discuss. ABC is a triangle, and then you got a vector AB, you got a vector AC as well. Calculate the length of BC. This one here, what they want is actually the magnitude of BC, like this. Okay, this is exactly what they want, which means that we need to find this vector BC. Alright, let's try and apply our vector skills to get BC. Now, between B and C, the common point is A. Alright, so we can use these two vectors to help us out. Alright, we first split the BC into BA plus AC. Okay, this is a vector technique whereby if you want to find BC, you can find BC. Just make sure that these 2 points are common. Alright, just make sure these 2 points are. So if it's not BA, you can even have BO plus OC. Also possible, you still get BC. Alright, so take note of that. But this problem here, we don't have anything about the origin. We have A as a common point. So BA, we can change this to negative AB. Okay, in vector, every time you swap the letter, just put one negative sign. Okay, and plus AC there. Okay, by the way, vectors is a uniquely O-level topic. Alright, you do not learn this in Sec 1, 2, and 3. Okay, only in Sec 4 you will learn this. AB is 5, negative 1, plus AC, negative 1 and 8. Now put a negative in, you're going to get negative 5 and 1, plus a negative 1 and 8. My friends, negative 5 plus negative 1, and that is negative 6. 1 plus 8, that is 9. Okay, so this is 6, negative 6 and 9, but this is not the end because the question really wants us to find the magnitude of BC. So we do a square root, negative 6 squared plus 9 squared, and this will be the square root of 36 plus 81. 117, so root 117. Square root 117, and that will be 10.816. Round this off to 3SF, 10.8 units. Okay, this is to 3 significant figures. Final answer for this question, 10.8 units.